This Easter egg trifle is a must-have no-bake dessert for Easter time. It's a chocolate Easter egg shell filled with a creamy filling and a biscuit base. If you're looking for an easy Easter dessert that everyone will love, then you have found it. Welcome to Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Anya and let's get started. First, let's make a ganache base for our filling. For that we need milk chocolate, white chocolate and heavy cream. Melt the chocolate using microwave-safe bowl and microwave it in 30 seconds intervals, stirring after one another. Add melted chocolate into a bowl, add very hot heavy cream and blend it with the hand blender until smooth. Cover the bowl with clear wrap and refrigerate it for an hour. Next, let's make biscuit base. For that we need any cookies, semi-sweet chocolate chips and melted unsalted butter. You can also use chocolate chip cookies. Crush cookies and chocolate chips together. Move crushed cookies into a spare bowl and add melted butter. Mix it well. Let's make our filling. We will need mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, condensed milk and chocolate ganache base we made before. In the mixing bowl, combine mascarpone and cold heavy cream. Whip it on high until stiff peaks. Add condensed milk and mix it again. Finally, add chocolate ganache base and mix it well. Our filling is ready. Divide the biscuit base evenly between the Easter egg halves. Press it down gently. Place them in the fridge for 20 minutes. Divide the filling between the Easter egg halves and use a small spatula to spread it evenly. Put Nutella on top and spread it evenly. Warm Nutella a little bit before using. For decorating, I'm using different chocolates and treats. The Easter egg trifle is ready. Enjoy every bite of it.